Hi everyone, my name is Max from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're going to take a look at this 2024 Harley Davidson Road King Special. We're going to be scrolling through the listing on our website, which you can see for yourself by clicking the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching up the item ID we have in the top left corner. Let's get into it. So to start off, this bike has 3,046 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. We'll take a scroll through our comprehensive list of checks. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14.2 volts, its front tire tread depth at 430 seconds, and its rear tire tread depth at 530 seconds. We did not note any other mechanical concerns, and when we test rode this vehicle, we found it to run, shift, and handle properly with no abnormal sounds or vibrations. We published the actual service repair order, so you can see exactly what we did to this bike and what we invested in it when we had it through our shop. On a bike of this age and mileage, we're going to point out everything we can see as flaws not caused by normal riding or wear. And on this bike, we didn't find anything. This bike comes with one key and one fob, and it comes from the factory with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and TPMS. It's been upgraded with a Chromeworks slip-on mufflers and 4-point docking hardware. This bike is a clear title, and we've also provided a CycleCheck's vehicle history report so you can see all the details of that clear title. This bike does come with a warranty, a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage options are available as well. Finally, we offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in taking trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.